everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS big block 396 car. Pretty car, guys. Complete frame-off restoration. It's got shiny black floors underneath. Beautiful torch red paint. It's got the black vinyl interior. A buddy of mine got me this car a little over a year ago out of Tennessee, and I sold it to a couple in Arkansas. He actually bought it for his wife, and he said they actually just traded it in on a Camaro. She said it was just too big for her to drive. I think he told me he really didn't drive it much. So this is an older restoration. They figured about 10 years on this restoration. Still very, very nice. Yes, there's a few things you can pick, and as I walk through, I'll try to point that stuff out. But neat car, clean car, straight car, runs and drives good, air car. You're looking for a nice, straight 69 Chevelle. I think you're going to like this car. A lot of the trim here, that stuff is original. I've actually ordered a new. You can see the grill emblems original. It's a little beat up, but I've ordered a new one. Bumper shows some little scratches in it. Little touch-up marks as you walk around it. Really bright, vibrant torch red paint. Dash pad looks good in there. Finish right there. You can pick on all of them, guys. I'm telling you, I don't care how much you spend, how old the rest of those are, you can always find something. This stuff looks like it's all new. Again, nice and straight down the sides. It's got the SS Rallies. It's got the Firestone Firehawk Indies on it. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust with the chrome tips. That is a good looking car, man. Black SS side stripe. Not the matching numbers engine, guys, but it does have a 69 date coded 396. I know they got the 375 horse sticker on the air cleaner, but it's not a 375 horse. Those are solid lifters. It's got hydraulic lifters in it. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power disc brakes, air does work, blows cold. 400 turbohydramatic transmission. Chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers. Red just jumps off this car, man. It really pops. Dual chrome mirrors. You can see they've replaced the window fuzzies, stuff like that. Door rubbers look new. Door skins are nice and clean. Of course, it's bucket seats, console. Factory SS steering wheel. Seats have definitely all been redone. Headliner looks original, really nice. Factory dash showing 45,000. I'm sure that's 145. I don't know the miles on the car. It's missing a little lighter thing. I've got that on the way. I'm also going to change out the gauges. I've ordered a different pod. I'm not real happy with that one. Retrosounds radio. Factory dash. Of course, it's got the factory horseshoe shifter in there. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 12 bolt 331. Yeah, 12 bolt 331 rear end. Of course, it's got the box control arms and everything the SS has had. Touch that up there. Factory jack with spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Seams are nice and clean, I'll tell you. Like I say, real nice underneath. Floors are shiny black paint. Door seams are clean. Seats look good. Again, they've definitely repadded, refoamed those. Again, I've got one of the little lighter things on the way. I'm going to change out that gauge pod. None of those gauges are working either. Center console looks good. Cam to it, nothing crazy. Just kick your air on, air blow's cold. Good looking car, man. Fuel gauge works. I think the only thing I think working down there is the volt meter. I don't know if those other two gauges are working. They're lighting up. They do. Oh, they do. Okay. Oh, the lights are on. Backup lights work. Sound and exhaust. Oh, that oil pressure gauge ain't working. Voltmeter, temp gauge. Like I say, I'm going to order them. Blower motor works, radio works. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us.